Alright guys, so in this video I will show you how you can get free airdrop for yourself as long as you are a get.io user. So if I scroll right here, you can see there are lots of airdrops right here which you need to claim. And how do you do that? Guys, I'm gonna take you through the process right in this video. To participate on this free airdrop on get.io, all you need to do is to register on get.io. I'm gonna leave the link right there in the description, so follow the link right there in the description and register on get.io. And mind you, before you can participate on this, be sure your account is verified. Okay, what do I mean by that? Make sure you carry out the KYC process successfully. And how do you do that? Just in case you are living in a foreign country, all you need is an international passport or any available ID right here in your country. And if you are registering from Nigeria, all you need is the plastic national ID, okay, not the paper one. So kindly go to any of the NIN center and get yours. And to find out if your get.io account is verified, all you need to do is to click on this human icon right here. And so if I click on it, you can see right here I am verified. So before you do this, make sure your account is verified. So check the link in the description, okay, and register on get.io while I take you through the process on how you can be getting massive tokens right here by participating on get.io setup, where you can be getting free airdrop on daily basis. Okay, so right here, before I continue guys, please, if you are coming across my channel for the first time and you haven't subscribed to this channel, please kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that whenever I post a new video like this, you'll be notified. And also, for early access to content like this, consider joining my Telegram channel. So I'm gonna leave the link right there in the description. So without wasting much of your time guys, let's dive in today's video. Alright guys, so like I said earlier, to participate on this, you need to get your account verified, which is the step number one. Okay, so once you come over to the app right here, this is the interface, this is the home page. So what you need to do is to click on this profile icon right here, okay, and once you click on the profile icon, this is what you will see. You can see startup, reward hub. So you go ahead and click on the startup right here. So you can see right here there are a lot of available airdrop which you need to claim just for free. So guys, in order to participate on this, which happens to be the step number 2, let me make you understand what I mean, or the meaning of startup right here on get.io. If you have been a Binance user, you might have known what we call launch pool on Binance, okay, where you stake your BNB to participate on airdrop, which at the end of the pool you get something huge in return. So right here on get.io, we call it startup, okay. And just like on Binance, to participate on any of the launch pool, you will need to hold a BNB, right? A BNB coins right there. So just like it happens on Binance, to participate on the launch pool, you need to hold a certain amount of BNB. So the same is applicable here, okay. So right here, to participate on this, you need to hold at least $10 worth of GT. So just like we have BNB on Binance, right here on get.io, they also have what we call GT, okay. So GT is for get.io while BNB is for Binance. So I believe with this simple illustration you must have understand what I mean by start up here on get.io. So as I was saying, to participate on this, you need to hold at least $10 worth of GT. And another thing you need to know right here is that the higher the tokens you hold here, the bigger the airdrop you're going to receive. So this is just like when you invest in large quantities, so you have to also expect something large, okay. So guys, why I keep emphasizing on GT tokens right here, you can actually hold other tokens, but the reason why I am emphasizing on GT is because holding a GT right here is of advantage, because most of the airdrop here you cannot participate if you don't have, or if you are not holding a GT like this particular one, sniffed. You need to hold GT in order to claim this airdrop, okay. So you have to take note of that. And guys, another thing here I would like to show you is this startup mining. So if I come over to startup mining right here, you can see lots of ongoing program right here. So here we have Mark, we we have Kati in progress. So this is where you can participate on the mining pool here. Okay, so if I come down here, you can also see the Rocky Rabbit, which is ongoing here, which is RBTC. So just in case you didn't earn much from Rocky Rabbit, this should be an opportunity for you to claim free airdrop right here on gate.io. And guys, if you take a look at here, you can see total of reward here is 800 millions of RBTC, and the staking period is only about 7 days. So you can see this will end in 5 days time. Okay, so in case you are watching this video and you want to earn more from the Rocky Rabbits airdrop, make sure you are doing this. So how do you do that? You come over to here, the roads here, you can see RBTC pool. So you can see right here, stake. The total number of participants here is 1,822 participants, and total staked is 5,000. You can see the figure right there. So to participate on this, you go ahead and click on stake, and right here you go ahead and type the amount of RBTC which you want to stake right here. Okay, go ahead and click on confirm, and boom, you are good to go. Okay guys, so before I take this video to the very end, don't forget the criteria for this. Number one, you must use the link in the description to sign up for gate.io. Number two, you must complete your KYC. Okay, I have already mentioned this initially. Okay, make sure you complete your KYC, okay, and get your account right here verified. Another thing guys, don't forget to participate on this startup airdrops. To keep claiming these airdrops on daily basis, you must hold at least 10 USDT worth of any tokens, but I recommend you holding GT because it's recommendable, because most of the airdrop here you will need to hold GT, and I have already said that in this video. And don't forget to participate on this airdrop, you also need to upgrade your VIP to level 2. So this is it. If I go over to here, so you need to take your VIP to level 2, which I'm gonna be doing immediately after this video. Okay, so make sure you upgrade your VIP to level 2. Okay, so that's all in this video guys. Thank you for watching this video, and make sure you are doing this because this is a great chance to earn free airdrop on daily basis. Take note, the 10 USDT you are holding here, you are not investing. No one is taking your money away from you. Okay, so the funds will just be there. Okay, you are only holding it, which you can take it back anytime, any day. Okay, so thanks for watching this video, and guys, please, if you find this video valuable, kindly give this video a thumbs up and kindly hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss any of my valuable content like this. And guys, also for early access to updates, consider joining my Telegram channel right here. I'm gonna drop the link right there in the description. So see you in my next video.